अस्सलाम वालेकुम एवरीवन, वेलकम आवर यूट्यूब चैनल एमपी बोधशाला। तो आज का जो ऐसे है वह है डॉक्टर एपीजे अब्दुल कलाम पर। इसके भी 10 पॉइंट्स लिखे हुए हैं, तब हम इनको समझ लेते हैं। और वीडियो स्टार्ट करने से पहले वीडियो को लाइक करना और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिएगा। चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं आज की वीडियो। डॉक्टर एपीजे अब्दुल कलाम आजाद वॉज अ ग्रेट साइंटिस्ट एंड द 11th president of India. He was born on October 15, 1931 in a small town called Rameshwaram in Tamil Nadu, India. Dr. Kalam Azad played a significant role in developing India's missile and nuclear technology. He was known as the Missile Man of India for his contribution to India's defense sector. Dr. Kalam Azad was a highly respected and humble person who inspired millions of people, especially the youth. He believed in the power of education and encouraged students to pursue their dreams and work hard. Dr. Kalam Azad wrote several inspirational books, including Wings of Fire, which tells his life story and motivates readers to overcome obstacles. He received numerous awards and honors for his exceptional work, including the Bharat Ratna, India's highest civilian award. Dr. Kalam Azad had a vision for India's development and believed in harnessing technology for the country's progress. He passed away on July 27, 2015, while delivering a lecture, leaving behind a legacy of dedication, leadership, and inspiration. तो ये था ऐसे डॉक्टर एपीजे अब्दुल कलाम का। अगर आपको कुछ भी डाउट हो तो आप कमेंट बॉक्स में मैसेज करके पूछ सकते हैं। इंशाल्लाह मिलेंगे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। अल्लाह हाफिज।